Be ready, start. This is a bill to give further effect to the program for the expansion and improvement of technical education in the country, which this government undertook some 12 years ago. When India became free, facilities for technological education were limited both in quantity and quality, but in the last 14 or 15 years, considerable progress has been made. Today, we can say with some confidence that technical education in this country compares not unfavorably with perhaps that of any advanced country in the world. In the last 5 years, there has been quite a phenomenon expansion. In other words, the target which had been approved for the third plan and which was to be released in 1966, we have practically released this year. Stanza. There has been also considerable improvement in quality, and one of the major measures in this improvement of quality of technical education has been the establishment of the higher technological institutes. Here we have to remember the services of the late Mr. Sirkar, because it was under his inspiration and on the basis of his committee's report that the proposal to establish these technological institutes in different regions of India was first mooted. Accordingly, the Kharagpur Institute came into existence in 1950, the Bombay Institute in 1958, the Madras Institute in 1959, and the Kanpur Institute in 1960. I think this House will note with pleasure that while in the case of the Kharagpur Institute, the major initiative was taken by the Government of India itself, we received assistance from a number of countries through UNESCO. In the case of the Bombay, Madras and Kanpur institutes, we received very substantial collaboration and help from 3 major countries of the world. For the Bombay Institute, we received very considerable assistance, which would approximate to something like rupees 2 crores or more from the Soviet Union through UNESCO. In the case of the Madras Institute, comparable assistance was received from the Federal Republic of Germany, and this help is also continuing. In the case of the Kanpur Institute, the United States of America came with an even more generous offer, and the order of help may be something like rupees 10 to 11 crores. For these 3 institutes, we have received very substantial assistance from 3 friendly countries of the world.